is something that has to be done often for your dog's well-being. Owners leaving this to professionals like to think their duties are met for merely dropping their dogs off at the salon. If you are one of them, here are 6 secrets your dog groomer wishes that you knew. From bathing, trimming, to cutting nails, it's good to get your pet used to these experiences as early as possible. A nerve-wracking challenge can be cutting the nails of a dog that don't like its paws to be touched. Hence, the best time to start is when your dog is just a puppy, and you can take it for an introductory appointment. Although the session can be traumatic at first, puppies are much more adaptable. By doing so, and regularly, your dog will find subsequent trips to the groomers less traumatizing. To make the grooming experience easier, brush your dog's fur daily, or every few days. Doing so prevents mats and tangles from forming, and that can mean quicker grooming sessions. Daily brushing also helps your dog feel more comfortable on their next salon trip. Having said that, regular brushing is not enough to keep the fur in check. If you want your dog's coat to be truly healthy, bring your pet to the groomer regularly. Be specific in telling the groomer what you want, and leave the how to the professionals. Groomers work with many dogs all day, and each client will have different requirements. So if you just want the groomer to trim the fur and leave half an inch, then say so. However, if the requirement is more complex, find references on the internet and show the groomer. Groomers will appreciate the effort, as they don't like assuming what their clients want. Groomers like owners to stay calm when they drop their dogs off. Remember, your dog will pick up on your anxiety, and that can make it nervous as well. If you want grooming sessions to be as stress-free as possible for your dog, keep the mood upbeat. Talk to your dog and tell your dog how much fun it'll have. Even though your dog can't understand, it will get the tone of your voice. Unless your groomer requests you remain to help handle your dog, don't stick around where your dog can see you. While some owners may think that their presence will be calming, it can make their dogs more anxious. Their dogs might even become restless, and this makes it hard for the groomers to do their job, which requires concentration. Leaving your dog fully in the groomer's hands will also help your dog bond with the groomer. So trust these seasoned dog handlers to know what to do. Your dog is likely to feel anxious on the way to the groomers. This feeling will be exacerbated if it hasn't had the chance to go to the bathroom before that. So let your dog have a potty break before leaving the house, or after arriving at the salon. Another reason is many groomers will be busy with back-to-back appointments. As such, they won't have time to take your dog out to the bathroom for you. From bathing to blow-drying to brushing, trimming, and ear cleaning, there are many delicate tasks for a groomer to manage. No matter how big or small your dog is, grooming is a tough job. By following these 6 tips, you can improve your experience with your groomer, and your dog will benefit too. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for new content weekly.